Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to put your SIM card into Samsung Galaxy A13. So let's do it. So here is my phone, and the first thing that you need is the pin, and for that just look inside your box, and here is the pin. And now in the left side of your phone we have the slot for the SIM, and just put this pin inside this hole. I hope you see it, and now push it. Now remove the pin, remove the slot, and here you can put two SIM cards and one memory card. Let's do it. This is the first SIM card, and now the second one. And now let's put the memory card, and this is the correct position for the SIM cards and the memory SD card. And now let's put this slot back into your phone. You need to be a little careful, and now just push it, and that's all. And enter your pin if you have on your SIM, and that's all. If you want to remove the SIM cards, just power off your phone, put back the pin into the hole, push it, remove the slot, and put back the slot, and that's all. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.